once again, and of course आप सोच रहे होंगे कि again back to back. So guys, of course आपको टाइटल से तो पता ही चल गया होगा कि that this is the collection for he sunglasses, premium sunglasses, amazing finds, and of course उसमें आपको अलग अच्छे अच्छे ब्रांड्स के मेंस के you can check out the wide range from the very nice brands sunglasses की range from low to high of course. So guys, please do check the video ahead and stay tuned. Thank you. दिस इज सोम्या स्टोर्स माई पैशन माई फैशन. सो आपको पता ही होगा दिस इज़ फॉर ही प्रीमियम सन ग्लासेस अमेजन फाइंड्स, जिसको आप दो तरीके से फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम द मेन मेन्यू इटसेल्फ अंडर रिकमेंडेशन सेक्शन अंडर ही रिकमेंडेशंस he premium sunglasses amazon finds. So guys, here you as you can see there is 34 there are 34 products listed here. You can check the brands, right? Sorry, product type sunglasses. Okay, price. So as you can see, the highest price here is 34810, and you can also check the prices. Also you can sort by low to high, high to low, old to new, new to old, A to that way best selling. So let's check new to old. वैसे तो जितने प्रोडक्ट्स आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं सारे रिसेंटली मैंने पोस्ट किए हैं, इन पे सेल भी है. सो लेट्स चेक एनी वन प्रोडक्ट. ओके, लेट्स गो फॉर दिस वन. ऑलराइट, लेट्स टेक द पिक्चर्स. Okay, so you can see the price, little information about it. You can also check different products down below, similar different products. Let's tap on the Amazon button and we will be directed towards that page. So right, so this product is not having any discount and price is also updated. It has a good rating, right? You can check different offers here, information about it, also similar products from different brands, or what can you purchase with it, and you can also compare with different products and detailed information down below. Right, so let's go back. Let's check any other product with some discount. Right, so let's check this product. If you're a customer for premium products, then it's a good find for you. Right, price is updated, there's a good discount on it. You can check out its information here. Right, let's go here. सो दिस 30% ऑफ ऑन दिस प्रोडक्ट. एंड मैंने पहले भी बताया जैसे इस पर कुछ वेरिएंट्स हैं. सो देयर मे बी सम डिफरेंस in prices. So the pictures are also updated and the price is also updated. You are saving 844. You can check the information down below and similar products. So let's go back. So let's check any other product. Okay, let's check by brand. So here we are. Let's check any other product. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, check the pictures here. Right, little information about it, and you can also share this with your friends and similar products. Let's go on Amazon. So here we are, the pictures are updated. As you can see, there is a price difference for two different color variants, right? Okay, it's description about the product, similar products, and okay. detailed information. So let's go back. Okay, let's check by brand. Okay, let's check. Let's check this one. So here are the pictures, right? I think this product is on sale. Price is updated. Little information. Check on Amazon. Right. So this 20% off on this product. You are saving rupees 1122, and as you can see, the picture is also updated. You can check the offers. You can also check the prices by different sellers, right? You can check its detailed information, similar products, what you can buy with it. You can also compare this product, right, and many different things. So let's go back again. So there are 34 products listed here. If I'll find more, I'll add more, and definitely you can check this. And of course you can tap below in the description to check out the link. आप सीधे इस कलेक्शन और रिकमेंडेशन पे redirect हो जाएंगे. So guys, this was He Premium Sunglasses Amazon Finds. You can also check this collection or recommendations from down below under fashion recommendations. Here, right here, there's some net issue. It's taking some time to load. Right. So guys, this was Soma Stores, My Passion, My Fashion. Stay tuned. Thank you. So guys, I hope you like the video which I just shared with you guys, and I hope you like the collection from the brands which I have just shared. Of course, मैं और ऐड करूँगी, so don't forget to check it out. और of course अभी जितने products आप यहाँ पे देखेंगे उनके prices updated हैं. Of course you can check out the information, product description, of course below it, and check the pictures. And एज यू कैन सी, आप किसी भी प्रोडक्ट पे टैप करिए, आप अमेजन पे जाके रिडायरेक्ट हो जाते हैं, एंड यू कैन चेक दी सम प्रोडक्ट्स देयर, एंड ऑफ कोर्स प्राइसेस भी अपडेटेड हैं. सो गाइस, दिस कलेक्शन इज़ जस्ट फॉर योर हेल्प. अगर आप सर्च नहीं कर पा रहे कोई पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड एंड यू डोंट हैव टाइम टू सर्च सो मेनी थिंग्स, सो आई होप दिस ही सनग्लासेस, प्रीमियम सनग्लासेस अमेजिंग फाइंड्स आपको हेल्प करें अगर आप किसी एक अच्छे ब्रांड के वाइड रेंज चेकआउट करना चाह रहे हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव क्रिएटेड दिस कलेक्शन and this video. So guys, of course guys, you can check the link of this collection below in the description. So आप जैसे आप उस पर टैप करेंगे आप वेबसाइट पे redirect हो जाएंगे, and of course you can check out the collection which I've created. Of course you can also check the collection is latest, so you don't need to worry because you are getting the latest collection and with good prices and updated prices. So guys, as we know, pandemic is going on, so keep yourself healthy and don't forget your mask and sanitizer, and keep yourself and your family healthy. It's a really must thing. And of course agar necessary nahi hai, so stay inside your home. So guys, I hope you like this video and the collection, and if you like it, please share with your friends and family and hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and of course छोटे से bell icon को tap करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा. And guys, please subscribe and share the love so that I can create so many collections and deals for you. And guys, I hope you like this video. So guys, तब तक के लिए cheers.